everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this halo braid, so please keep watching. So yes guys, this is my natural hair. I haven't blow dried it. Is moisturized. Heat's not added to my hair. This is my natural hair in its naturalist state. So I am going to use my Eco Styler gel for this style. These two combs, a brush, and of course an elastic. So I'm going to start sectioning my hair from the back, and I'm going to add some Eco Styling gel to each section, and I'm going to do this until I reach to the front of my head. And this method is it's much easier, especially for natural hair, women like me. Any style you're gonna do without your hair blown or any heat added to your hair to make it straighter. If you're gonna do any like sleek ponytail look, I would recommend you sectioning your hair first and applying the gel or products to on each section before doing so. And whenever I am going to I always moisturize my hair first whenever doing any protective style. So I'm at the front of my head now, and I'm going to just continue to brush my hair until I get it to the position where I want it. And I want it at the very back of my head, but I want it low, as low as possible. So yes. So I'm applying more Eco Styling gel to lay my hair neat as possible, making sure all of those flyaways or shorter hair is coated with this gel. So guys, if you have thick natural hair, I think this method it's much easier and faster by doing this. You sectioning your hair and you're applying the product to each section, and you work your way to the top. So I'm gonna do my side hair, and I'm gonna use my rat tail comb. The rat tail comb works best for me. So I'm combing the remainder of my ponytail. I'm just gonna braid it all the way to the tip of the end of my hair, and I'm gonna tuck it away. And using a bobby pin. I'm gonna use a silk scarf, and
my silk scarf
to tie my hair and leave it for at least 30 minutes.
I'm right back. Finish though.
So yes guys, this is the braid I'll be using, and it's xpression braid, and it's 1 pack, and I braid it from end to end, and the color is BU for burgundy, and I will list that in the description box down below. So yes, I've braided this prior to this video, so if you want to see how I created this braid, you can just comment down below. So I'm just gonna secure it at the back, starting from the back of my hair, and I'm gonna bring it around, all the way around, and connect it with the other end at the back. And I'm gonna do this and overlap it over my braided hair so that that won't show, so the braid would cover the ponytail. And of course, get rid of the flyaways from the braid. Make it look nice and neat. Yes, my people. And I'm just gonna fluff it and make it look fluffy all around, nice and thick, and create that butterfly effect. So yes guys, the color is popping. So this is the finished look. Nice and easy, quick, simple. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. You should try this. And you can use any hair color that you want. So yes, nice and neat. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe. Yes my people, this is the back. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And if you subscribe, thank you for subscribing. Yes people, nice and simple Halo Goddess braids. There you have it. So and I'll catch you in my next video. So bye.